Hello children, in this module we will learn how to draw ogive graph of both types, that is less than ogive and greater than ogive. The question is given to us. From here we will find the cumulative frequency table. Now we keep the class interval here, the frequency over here, and we find the cumulative frequency. There are two types of cumulative frequencies. One is less than type and another is greater than type. Okay. If you are asked only to find less than type, then do only this. If you are asked to find the greater than type, then do only this. If you are asked to find the both, as if in this question, then we have to find both. Okay. Now how do we do the find the less than cumulative frequency? It's very easy. See, from the frequency, go from the top. Okay, 2, then you add 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 12, 22, 22 plus 24, 46, and so on. And for greater than, what do you do? From the bottom we will go. Okay, 4 we keep here, then 4 plus 16 gives us 20, 20 plus 34 gives us 54, 54 plus 24 gives us 78, like that. Okay, so in less than type, if there is 100 here, the total of this, then in greater than type the 100 will be over here. Okay, now while drawing the ogive of less than, what we do, we take the upper limit. This is the class interval, this is the lower limit, these are the upper limits. We take the upper limit and the cumulative frequency as points: 55 and 2, 60 and 10, 65 and 20, etc. Okay, for plotting. And for greater than, we take the lower limit: 50 and 100, 55 and 98, 60 and 90, and so on. Okay, so for less than type, for the points we take upper limit and cumulative frequency as such. And if we are to draw the greater than type ogive, then we take the lower limit and cumulative frequency as such. Okay, and using these points, what we will do is we will plot, okay, the ogive. Now in the class interval, the class starts from 50 and ends at 85. okay, so 0 बाट नै सुरु भएको भएदेखिको 0, 10 या 0, 5 यस्तो हुन्थ्यो. तर अब 50, there's a big gap. okay, so in order to fill up that gap, we make a kink. okay, so kring पार्न kink बनाउनु. then first देखिको सुरु गर्नु 50. if it is 60, then 60, but here it is 55, then 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. okay, so always in the x-axis you keep the class interval, and in the y-axis you keep the cumulative frequency. okay, cumulative frequency को highest कति छ हेर्नु, 100 छ. So if I take this as 5, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I take this as 5, then 5, 10, 15, 40 गर्दाखेरि अट्दैन यो. okay, for that what I will do, I will take this as 10, this as 20, 30, 40, and so on. okay, after that what we will do is we will plot. okay, the first point was 55 and 2, so we will take this as 55 and 2 is this one. okay, this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. no? So 56 and 2 is this point. Similarly 60 and 10 is this point. okay, in the second. Then 65 and 22, 65 and 22 here. okay, 20, 22. Then 70 and 46 I plotted. Then 75 and 80 I plotted. And then 80 and 96 and 85 and 100 we have plotted. okay, after that what we do is we will draw a freehand, okay, freehand graph, and that freehand graph will be what is called the ogive of less than type. Okay, so we will draw the freehand graph like this. Freehand, okay, do not join the points with scale, like this. Freehand graph we will do. Okay, don't lift up the pencil. So this is the upward rising curve, okay, and this is what is called the less than ogive, and in the greater than ogive the curve will come from top to bottom. Okay, how is that done? That also I will show you. Draw the greater than type ogive. Okay, for that, what are the points to be taken? I have already told you. The first point will be 50 and 100. So this is 50 and this is 100. Okay, then 55 and 98, 55 and 98. Okay, then similarly we have 60 and 90. Okay, then 65 and 78 we have here. Okay, then 70 and 54 we have here. Then 75 and 54, 75 and 20, sorry. Then 80 and 4. Now after having plotted the points, we will again draw a freehand graph. Okay, without lifting up the pencil, we will draw a freehand curve. Okay, that will be called the more than ogive. Okay, now I start see this way. Like this. Okay, so this is the less than ogive and this is the greater than ogive. Okay, now there is a point, okay, of intersection between the two ogive. Okay, you can see this point. Okay, now taking this point, okay, taking this point, because this will be exactly at 50, see, because n by 2, n is 100 and 100 by 2 we get 50. Okay, we know how to find the median from the ogive. Okay, less than बाट मात्रै भए पनि ग्रेटर देन बाट मात्रै भए पनि ओजिभ मेडियन चाहिँ सेमै आउँछ नि त, किनभने हामीले मेडियन खोज्दाखेरि के गर्छ, n by 2 खोज्छ नि त, isn't it? So n is 100 here, total by 2 will be 50, अनि 50 लाई लगेर चाहिँ हामी कहाँ जान्छ, CF मा जान्छ, यहाँ जान्छ. So this is 50. Okay, अनि 50 बाट यहाँनिर हामीले what we will do is we will draw a horizontal line. Okay, एउटा मात्र ogive छ भने यसै गर्छ नि त मेडियन खोज्दा, अनि जहाँ यहाँ ogive लाई भेट्छ त्यहाँबाट चाहिँ हामी के गर्छ, vertically down we will move like this. Okay, and then we will take this reading. So this reading is approximately 71, approximately 71. Okay, so what will be the median? Either from less than or more than curve, the median will be 71 approximately. Okay, so this is how we can draw two ogives from or in a single graph paper if it is asked. Okay, and from the same we can find the median. Okay, यो intersection point बाट सिधा ओह्रालो झार्दाखेरि यहाँ x axis मा जहाँ काटिन्छ र त्यसको भ्यालु जति हुन्छ त्यही चाहिँ तिम्रो median हुन्छ. Okay.